Welcome back, everyone. We're back here with Backpacker Meals with your host, Joe, and we're in Lanes right now. We're in Lanes, South Africa, and we're making some food today. So we don't know what we're making. We're not making my famous mashed potatoes from Scotland or my dessert from Slovakia. We're gonna make something. We don't know what, but it's an art, you know? Food is an art, so we're gonna go into the fridge and into the pantry and see what we can create. So come on with me. All right, let's open the fridge, see what we have. All right, so we have some milk, some jam, some yogurt. We have, some balsamic vinegar, Gouda cheese. Got some sauce, jalapenos, olives. And then not all this is mine, but here we have some tomatoes, jalapenos. Ooh, we got some mushrooms, but those aren't mine. Some pickles and some lemons. We have some peanut butter, got some nuts, got some gluten-free spaghetti. We got some extra gluten fusilli chocolate, some gummies, turmeric, some pretzels, some popcorn, chips, some rice, some sweet chili sauce, pizza sauce. We got coconut oil and some chips. So we don't have a lot of actual food here, but let's go with some gluten-free spaghetti. One tip of mine is to just have every single snack open, because then you could just get a little bit of everything. All right, guys, so it looks like we're gonna be making some gluten-free spaghetti. So let's go over some of the ingredients. We have sweet picante peppers, jalapeno sliced, fresh jalapeno chilies, Gouda cheese, mushrooms, baby tomatoes, some basil sauce, optional chicken. Got the olives, spaghetti, sem gluten. Let's begin. So, first things first, you need to get a saucepan. Fill it with water. Sweating over here. Look it, so we usually have a no shirt policy, but for the sake of this video, I have a shirt on. So I'm about to break the hearts of all 10 Italians watching this video. I'm sorry, Raquel and Elena. But the first time I saw this happening, it broke my heart too. So, sorry. Don't worry, the maid will get that tomorrow. You have to understand that this is not ordinary spaghetti. This is gluten-free. It cooks completely different, turns like this soup, sticky stuff. So you probably wouldn't even consider it pasta. So we evolve, we change our ways of cooking, okay? So next thing we need to do is let this thing just boil. So get the utensil. So one great thing about South Africa is the maids. You get a maid 5 days a week. 5 days a week, you get a maid. She cleans up the whole place. It's amazing. It's the South African life. And the thing is, I don't know how to go back, because that's how it should be. You have more time to do what you want instead of wasting your time cleaning. Yeah, it builds character, but when you can do things you rather love, why not just do that? So get a maid. Move to South Africa. Get your chicken. So you know what? Cut the chicken. I don't feel like cooking chicken right now. We'll cook it some other day. We don't need chicken. Nah, I don't feel like it. Making it vegan now. Nah, not vegan. Nah. We got some cheese. First things first, I'll get a little bit of oil, grab some, put it in the pan. And because we're using coconut oil, once we're done putting it in the pan, grab some and just put it on your skin. It's really nice, and you smell amazing. You smell like coconuts. Who doesn't want to smell like coconuts? Get the jalapenos. These guys, nice and thin sliced. I guess we can put the sphincter. Oh, it's boiling. Once it's boiling, shut it off. Put it on low. Oh yeah, and don't forget to add some salt some salt and pepper, and give it some stirring. Stir it up. Get the tomatoes. I like to cut them in half. You know, food is an art, and it's something that hits just all the senses, so you just have fun with it, you know? It's not something, you don't follow on recipes, and just create. Just create whatever your heart desires, and that's enough tomatoes. Actually, nah, more tomatoes. Get some mushrooms in here, and yeah, you know what? Let's just like put this on the stove, all right? Let's get this up and running. You're gonna wanna go in there and then find one strand. You wanna just grab it and then just eat it. That's the thing about cooking. You could just like juggle and then just wait for the stuff to get ready. And look, you could just like walk around. I mean, I guess fucking hop around. All right, now let's strain this guy right here. Get the strainer. And we get our sauce and we dump it. Oh, don't forget balsamic vinegar. Oh yeah, does that look amazing or what? It's like a really simple recipe. Just mix it all into the bowl. Give it a nice stir. With just like whatever's in your house. I mean, pasta, you already know. You could just create whatever you want. Any type of pasta you want, but I recommend putting jalapenos in there. Because it just makes everything taste so much better. Add some jalapenos. See, more jalapenos. And now the most important ingredient, which is cheese. We have some of the best cheese. Like, where's my cheese? We have Gouda cheese. We go generous. Very generous with the cheese. We just need more cheese. You need all the cheese. Like, all the cheese you have in the fridge needs to go in this dish. Some more pepper. You put an olive right there. Some olives. And voila. You have made jalapeno cheese spaghetti, gluten-free, and it tastes amazing. Actually, I haven't even tried it yet, but I bet it tastes amazing. That's some good food. Really good. The jalapenos and the cheese and the balsamic vinegar, they really stand out. They really do. Like, it's always good just to juggle. It actually helps sync your brain together, get the right side and the left side working together. And honestly, that will just change your whole mindset. And also your peripherals. So when you read faster, you can use peripherals to read. And also your hand-eye coordination. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy making this jalapeno cheese spaghetti. Southern style, or South African style. And I'll see you guys the next time. Don't forget, keep playing, and just enjoy life. Just enjoy it. We only live once, and just play. Just always play. See you later.